This is Commander Whitehall speaking to you from Yugoslavia. I am really in luck. I've been invited to a wedding here in Slovenia, a republic in the northern part of Yugoslavia. What you hear is the lively dance called the kolo. While there are other dances native to the various six republics and many variations of the kolo, this is the dance which all Yugoslavians regard as the national dance of this vigorous country, and no gay country wedding such as this would be complete without it. How I wish you could see the festive clothing. Again, each part of Yugoslavia has its own native costumes which they wear on special occasions. And here in Slovenia, they are particularly lovely. The ladies are wearing caps with wide embroidered bands on them, colorful bodices worn over puff-sleeve white blouses, and long full skirts. The men are very dashing, with feathers stuck in the sides of their soft hats, open-neck shirts under colorful vests, and high-polished boots. My, so much food! The long tables are laden with hearty dishes like kačamak, a thick soup, whole lambs roasted on an open spit, great loaves of homemade bread, and the desserts. I see cakes filled with nuts, and one, dubash, dripping with caramel and slatko, preserved fruits in a sweet syrup. And there is so much to drink, such as milk for the children, dark, sweet coffee, wines made here in Yugoslavia, and something called slivovica, which I am told is the national drink. I shall have to try some, as I see a toast is about to be drunk to the happy couple. Oh, yes, thank you, I will try some. Smells like fruit, plums, I think. Oh, my goodness. Oh, dear me. Oh, no, I have quite enough, thank you so much. But I see the musicians beginning again, and a pretty young lady about to sing for us. Let's listen.
Čujte me, oj mamica vi, kaj se pri mojemu srčku godi. Možila bi se rada, sem deklica premlada. Mir, kaj govoriš, zakonski stan je velik.
What a wonderful wedding party that was yesterday. I had to leave, but the festivities will continue for another day or so, I'm told. I have taken a bus to the port of Rijeka, and I must hurry if I'm to catch the steamer, which will take me on an overnight trip down the beautiful Adriatic coastline of Yugoslavia to the old city of Dubrovnik. Ah, what a lovely trip. The Adriatic is so blue, and the many islands we've passed so picturesque. We have seen fishing villages and many fishermen who wave to us as they haul in their nets full of fish. We stopped for a while at the island of Korčula, where Marco Polo was born. At that time, this part of the country was part of Italy, which lies just across the Adriatic. The steamer is too large for the tiny port of the old city, and so I have caught a trolley car for a ride from the northern portion of Dubrovnik, which will take me to the huge stone walls of the old city. Ah, this is a lovely old city. It was founded in the 7th century, you know. It has narrow, winding streets, old palaces, monasteries, churches, and huge gates. The entire city is on a small peninsula and is surrounded by thick, high walls. Why, the whole city itself is a museum. Did you know that legends tell that the English king Richard the Lion-Hearted stopped here in Dubrovnik on his return from a crusade? Ah, that gives you an idea of how old this city is. I'm very fortunate to have come to Dubrovnik during the annual summer festival, when the evenings are full of wonderful outdoor performances of Yugoslavian as well as European groups, ballet, folk music, opera, and sometimes Shakespearean companies from England. But Yugoslavians love to dance and sing, and I must say it's easy to catch the spirit of such exuberant music. Let's all go and listen.
Moje treni pan mio, ubavi noi treni, a je to so svaku večer da me se nagledi.
And now, this is Commander Whitehall saying goodbye from Yugoslavia.